Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And to all my lovely subscribers, I appreciate the support. And to the new ones, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, we show a whole lot of love, and we do so by giving videos thumbs up. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. I also love to read and reply to your comments, so make sure to leave me a comment in the section below. On this channel, I teach you how to grow your hair using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen, so make sure to join us. Alright, let's move on to today's recipe. So one of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is avocado. Avocados are really great when it comes to hair growth as well as hair care. If you're someone suffering from hair breakages, hair thinning, if your hair falls a lot, you should be adding avocados to your hair mask. The next ingredient I'm going to add today is flax seeds. Flax seeds contains vitamin B, which can help you grow much healthier hair. It also contains vitamin E, which can help stop hair breakages, hair fall, or hair thinning. Flax seeds is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients are great for hair growth. So all I did was measured about 3 tablespoons of the flax seeds, and I added 2 cups of water. I let it boil for about 15 minutes, and after that I strained it whilst it is still hot. If you wait, your flax seeds are going to be so thick and straining is going to be so hard. So I separated the flaxseed gel from the flaxseed seeds. I'm going to use both of them, but now I'm going to use the seeds that I just strained out. The next ingredient I'm going to use is the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds is the mother of all seeds. It contains iron and protein that can help strengthen your hair strands and prevent it from breaking. It can also promote hair growth. So I added water to about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, left it on the counter for overnight, and this is what I'm having now. So I'm going to add it to my recipe. So in this bowl, I have my avocado, my flax seeds, as well as my fenugreek seeds. And this time I'm going to blend everything together. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it, because I really enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So my next ingredient is the moringa powder. Moringa is also great for hair growth. It contains vitamin A, B, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, and all these nutrients are really great when it comes to hair growth. So I added about 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder to my recipe, and at this time I'm going to stir everything together. Make sure to stir it very well because you do not want any clumps in your hair. But the good thing is we are going to strain this. You can use your cheesecloth, your wig cap, stockings. Just make sure whatever material that you use is really clean because you do not want to contaminate your recipe. This mask is really effective, but the only thing is if you do not know how to use it the right way, you're not going to get all the benefits out of it. And that is why I'm going to show you the best way to use this hair growth mask. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end, because I'm going to tell you all the tips that you need to make this mask effective. There are a few ingredients I need to add to this mask. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my honey. Honey is really good, especially if you have low porosity hair. Honey can strengthen hair follicles that are weak. It can help stop hair breakages and also condition your hair. So I added about 1 tablespoon of honey to my recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you're going to learn a lot about the benefit of this castor oil. Adding castor oil will condition your hair, make it really soft, strengthen your hair strands, and prevent your hair from breaking. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my pure grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. It can be coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. But this is what I chose today because it is lightweight, it can easily penetrate into your hair strands, and I just love what it does to my hair. So I added my oil, and now it's time to add the flaxseed gel that we strained. So I'm just going to add my flaxseed gel to this recipe, and it's going to make everything so beautiful and easy to apply. This hair mask is very, very effective, especially if you're someone who suffers from hair breakages. The only truth of the matter is you have to know the right way to use it. So make sure you are watching this video to the end because I'm going to show you the best way to use this hair growth mask. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, make sure to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And I love reading your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. Alright, so let me show you the best way to apply this hair growth mask. So make sure you apply this on clean hair. Before using this hair growth mask, make sure you shampoo, wash your hair, then you're going to use this as a deep conditioner. So what I did was I divided my hair into sections and I started applying this onto my hair. I make sure to use my hand to detangle it. Because of the flaxseed, it makes it really slippery and easy to manage. Look at how soft my hair is. Just after one use, you're going to see a whole lot of difference in your hair. The texture of your hair is going to be really soft and you're going to experience less hair breakages. You need to be really consistent with this hair mask. Do this at least once every 2 weeks or on your watch days and you're going to see tremendous change in the strength, the growth of your hair. Make sure you're applying to every section of the hair and you're massaging it into the hair. This will make detangling your hair so much easier and this will eventually stop hair breakages. If you want to grow thick, long, beautiful hair, you really need to stop hair breakages. Some people think their hair do not grow. Everybody hair grows, but if your hair grows at the same rate that you lose hair, then it will feel like your hair is not growing. So you have to prevent that hair that you have already grown on your hair from breaking, and this hair mask can help you stop that. So make sure you are really consistent with it. I just love what it does to my hair. Whenever you are finished with every section, make sure to put it in a braid or a twist. After everything, make sure to go on with a shower cap or a rubber cap and leave it on for about 45 minutes. Then after that, just rinse it out with water. Go ahead to condition your hair and moisturize your hair. Just look at how soft and beautiful my hair is looking. Guys, you need to give this hair mask a try. If you haven't tried anything natural, you must give this one a try. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I know you have already subscribed. But before leaving, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. And you're going to learn more ways to grow your hair. Bye.